Hello and welcome to another Xterra video where I work on my truck, guys. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. And this is the first week after East Coast Xterra challenge. I got so busy with work because I was absent, and now I have so much work. I'm not able to edit in time the video for us off-roading, so hopefully it's gonna be next week. But for now, I just want to tell you what happened a little bit, and let's see what all the damage that was done to my truck. A lot of people had some kind of damage, but you will see that in the videos. But luckily this time around I did not even have to remove my side panels, not from a passenger side, not from a driver's side. I was able to squeeze between the trees. I was able to drive much better this time around. There was very close calls, but I still was able to squeeze through. Unlike last year, I damaged my side panel and I damaged my camera. But unfortunately, I did damage my rims. This is from last year. For some reason, this rim, the passenger side, is in a perfect condition, not damaged over here, but usually that's the one people damage. The rear driver is pretty good as well. There is just a little scuff over here, but the problem is with the front driver rim. I damaged pretty bad. It's bent over here and it's has a little crack, and I did not even see this until I got home, until I washed my truck. There's a little dent in here as well, but this one is really pretty bad, unfortunately. And yes, now I need to get a new rim, and I feel like it's losing a little bit of air. I'm gonna have to check it out. Maybe I just did not put enough air, but this, so far, this is the main damage that I see. Now underneath of the truck, I did hit quite a few rocks, quite a few bumps. So this is actually my first time crawling under the truck to see if I see any visible damage, but for the most part, of course, I have everything covered up with the steel plates, so it should be alright for the most part. I don't see anything damaged here. I don't see any bends over here, nothing crazy. So hopefully this is all right. I have the rear diff skid plate took some beating this time around. I did scrape it a lot, as you can see over there, guys. Hopefully you guys can see it. So if I'm not mistaken, for the most part there is not a whole lot of damage over there. The front engine skid plate over here has a little bit of a bend, but I think this is just, I don't think there is a whole lot of bend actually. I don't see any scratches or marks over here, so that's probably how it's been. My lower control arm seems to be fine. So for the most part, it looks like no more major damage was done. I took off side panels to wash it, and there is no damage over here. Now for some reason, as I was driving on a trail on the first day, this camera, the driver's side, just stopped working. I did hit a bump and it just stopped working. I did not hit it with anything. I don't know what happened. Maybe a wire got loose somewhere. I tried to look at it at the end of the day, but did not see anything major. I did not see anything getting disconnected, so one camera over here was not working. I have no idea why. And then on the second day, I was driving. In the middle of the day, all cameras disappeared again out of the blue. But then after I restarted the truck, the 3 cameras came back. Strange. But that camera never came back, so I have to troubleshoot. I have to take it out. Maybe I have to replace it. Maybe the camera went bad just by itself. And for some reason, the front bumper camera still was glitching out. On the bumps, it was still connection was getting loose. I was still losing a signal on the bumps. I don't know why, even though I fixed the ground issue. I don't know what happened. But there you go, guys. This is what I found so far. I don't know, maybe I missed some issue, maybe I'm gonna find something else, but seems to be everything else is fine. I'm pretty happy. This was a lot of fun. It was a very cool experience to off-road again with my friends and some new people. Hopefully by the next week I'll be able to edit those videos and you guys gonna see it for yourself. I mean, I was not able to record much of my truck as well, because when I drive nobody records me, and when I record somebody I cannot drive at the same time, so it is what it is. So on this note, I'm gonna wrap it up over here. This is all the damage that I found so far. So now I have to find a new rim. So I'll see you guys next time.